Learning to talk about a topic in Scottish Gaelic using only 5 sentences. For this exercise, you need to write 5 sentences which reply to a question word. There are 6 question words: who, what, when, where, why, and how. Có, J, Quinje, Kaatje, Garçon, and Kjammer. We have an example. Our topic is keurig, which is sheep. Haminam chrochcherellen big. Shenoberagam sefia ke tas je keet keure. Bimo ven agus misha koshach chonacha kvor. A hulala, gusule chostora. Hanna keurig dollichtje furige mooi, agus. Chatulioa an shetag in itcher, or sharlioa feroon joer. Surge na keurig shin rielig, or ha koeheurach akin, vis a keestach kumarein. For the first exercise, the person who listened will ask one question about the text you just read out, using one of the question words. Có, J, Quinje, Kaatje, Garçon, or Kjammer. Then you're going to read this again, and the person listening will ask another question. Now, say your 5 sentences for a second time. The person listening will ask a follow-up question, showing that they have actively listened to what you said, by asking to reaffirm what you just said. For instance, by asking the question, "Een toerstu, did you say that?" You're a crofter, for instance. Een toerstu, kre krochtjere hannet. And that's it for the exercise. Give it a try yourself.